Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Day 7 Regular Expressions Part 3 from 10 Days of JavaScript. So the task is to complete the function in the editor by returning a regular expression object that matches every string in some string. No, every integer in some string s. So these are the constraints that like the strings like this, and it's guaranteed that a string contains at least one character, integer. Now the input right here, there's 102, 1948, 248, and 1.3 and 4.5. Now that regex expression should only detect these numbers, so at the end it returns the numbers. If it's all grouped together like this consequently, then it's 1 or 2. Same thing here, it has this big number, but if it's split up by some character in between, it's going to be 1, 3, 4, 5. Another example right here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and there's spaces in between, therefore it splits it up as 1, 2, 3, since they're all their individual groups right here. Now, how do I define it right here? Overview, if you've ever seen my previous regular expression videos, like 2 and 1. Basically, regular expressions it's almost like a pattern that you look for in a string just to evaluate or find if that certain pattern exists within the string, and that's basically how regular expressions are used. Oh, and there are resources right here if you need for reference. So const re, I'm making a const re variable because we're returning an re regular expression as denoted right here. The syntax for a regular expression is true forward slashes, and inside here I want to get all occurrences of numbers. There's one for that called /d. That's how you indicate it is an integer. Now, since these numbers could be neighboring each other, I put a plus, so it could be one or more of those. And now, since I want to get all occurrences of the numbers and strings, you can see right here I have this tab open. I'm going to plan to use this G modifier. And this G modifier is known as a global match. So instead of just stopping in the first match it finds within the string, it's actually going to go and find all matches within that string. So I'll add a /g right here to make it global. And now if I run this, it's going to get all the numbers in the string. Nice. Submit the code.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Bing, bing, bong, bong. Hooray. I solved it. Okay, guys. Hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, I'll give you 2 trillion Bitcoins. No, just kidding. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys in preparation for your interview or gives you an idea of how regular expressions are used. If you have any questions, please leave it in below. I appreciate a like and subscribe, and you guys have a good day. See ya.